Welcome back to the Nightcap, everyone. Thanks again for everyone who have liked and subscribed. Continue to share it with all your friends and family or anyone out there that you know just needs a little help making a better than average drink in less than average time. So tonight we'll be making a Bulleit Revolver. Why? I just like the name. So we'll knock out the Bulleit Revolver. Very simple nightcap here. It's going to be 1.5 ounces of your Bulleit bourbon. And then we'll go with 1/2 ounce of a coffee liqueur. Tonight we'll be using Mr. Black, and then 2 dashes of orange bitters. Get that, stir it, strain it, get in and out. We got ourselves a drink. So first, we'll do the 1.5 ounces of the Bulleit bourbon. Pour that down. There we go. Pour that over the ice. We're going to get that nice and chilled. Stir that in a little bit. Now we're going to go with 1/2 ounce of the coffee liqueur. Again, today we'll be using Mr. Black for this. So we'll do 1/2 ounce. There we go. This will be great for all your friends out there that like some coffee at the end of the day. So now we're going to hit 2 dashes of orange bitters. Great. Got most of this made already. Now, let's give this a stir. Get it in there, spin it around, get it nice and cold. Again, this will not be served on ice, so the colder we get, the better. She's looking pretty good. There we go. So, next thing we're going to do, if you have it, just a good tip, use a frosted glass. If you don't, it's still going to be delicious without it. Okay, let's get that glass. So we'll have a frosted cube glass. Go ahead and get the strainer. Strain it in. That's not it. Now, got an orange peel. Let's go ahead and light that on fire. Get that going. Yes. A little twist. Smell the orange, just comes out even more. Put that on there. There we go. She's a beaut, Clark. Cheers.